Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on what to pack for Pu Luong Vietnam 2023. Pu Luong is a beautiful nature reserve in the north of Vietnam, and it's a great place to go hiking, trekking, and exploring the countryside. But before you go, it's important to pack the right stuff. 1. Mosquito repellent. One of the most important things to pack is mosquito repellent. Pu Luong is a tropical rainforest, and there are a lot of mosquitoes. You don't want to get bitten by mosquitoes, because they can transmit diseases like malaria and dengue fever. 2. Anti-squeeze. If you're planning on doing any trekking in the forest, it's a good idea to pack some anti-squeeze cream. This will help to protect you from insect bites and stings. 3. Waterfall swimwear and slippers. There are a number of waterfalls in Pu Luong, and it's a great place to go swimming. So be sure to pack some swimwear and waterfall slippers. Waterfall slippers will protect your feet from the rocks and sharp objects. 4. Raincoat. It can rain in Pu Luong at any time of year, so it's a good idea to pack a raincoat. A raincoat will help to keep you dry and comfortable, even if you get caught in a downpour. 5. Walking shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking in Pu Luong, so it's important to pack comfortable walking shoes. Walking shoes will help to protect your feet from the hot ground and sharp rocks. In addition to the items mentioned above, you may also want to pack the following items. These are just a few of the things you need to pack for Pu Luong Vietnam 2023. Be sure to do your research and pack accordingly, so you can have a safe and enjoyable trip. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips.